Good morning, everybody. It's time for us to take time out. Nothing is wasted. The cloud of oppression is being lifted at this time. And all those things of doubt, fear, negligence, negativity, we're putting it behind us. We are not stuck anymore. They say spirit has our back and the wheel of fortune is turning in our favor. There are going to be new beginnings, end of delays, and a change in direction that is going to offer us happiness. Be careful, do not take risks. Come home to yourself, and they're advising you to drink more water or eat fruits and vegetables that have water within it. They say that it is our time now where we can manifest anything we want. We must just believe in what we want. It's a time of great prosperity coming our way. You will be shown the way, but you need to simplify your life. They say you had so much going on that you spread too thin. You must be generous with spirit, with yourself and others. Be kind and compassionate. Uplift yourself with and those around you with loving laughter. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes at this time. You do have the answers within you. You are a wise soul, and a new opportunity will lead you to greatness. You're trustworthy and you're understanding and loving, and there is so much that you can accomplish. Make very detailed plans for your future and trust and believe that there is a loving angel watching over you. You will be playing a different role, and they say you need to believe in yourself. Forgive the past, forgive things that you did wrong. See yourself doing well, and you will. They say you must take things slowly, that's how we'll win the race. There is justice and balance coming your way soon. You've addressed issues of the past and let them go, and you must stay open hearted and open minded. Now is your lucky time, and the transformation you're making, they say, is beautiful. You are on a new positive timeline. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.